In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently merge cells in Microsoft Word using a simple shortcut key. Whether you're creating tables for organizing information or fine-tuning a document's layout, mastering this handy tip will save you time and enhance your productivity. Let's start with the basics. To begin, you'll need to open Microsoft Word on your computer. If you're using a Windows system, the first step is to locate the Windows Start menu. You'll find it at the bottom left corner of your screen, symbolized by the Windows logo. Once you've found it, give it a click to open the menu. Next, you'll want to find Microsoft Word amongst the plethora of applications that might be installed on your system. To do this quickly, utilize the search bar directly within the Start menu. Simply start typing Word into the search bar and you'll see Microsoft Word appear as one of the top suggestions. It's a straightforward process. Just type and look. Clicking on Microsoft Word will launch the application. This might take a few moments depending on your computer's speed. Now, with Microsoft Word open in front of you, you're ready to either create a new document or open an existing one. If you're following along, go ahead and open the document you wish to work with. Or if you're just testing out this feature, opening a new document will do just fine. For this tutorial, let's assume you already have a table or a list that requires modification. Find the specific text cell or cells within your document that you need to merge. To highlight these cells, simply click and drag your mouse across the cells, or use the Shift key in combination with the arrow keys to select the text. This action prepares the selected cells for merging. Now here comes the magic part, merging the cells using a shortcut key. Without needing to navigate through the menu for the merge function, you can simply press Alt plus A plus M. This command is a quick and efficient way to merge your selected cells in Microsoft Word. It's a 3-key combination that you'll press sequentially. Start by holding down the Alt key, then press A, and finally while still holding Alt, press M. This sequence sends a command to Microsoft Word to merge the selected cells. Using this shortcut can massively streamline your workflow, especially if you often work with tables or documents that require frequent formatting adjustments. It eliminates the need to manually search through the ribbon or toolbar for the merge option, which not only saves time, but also reduces the interruption to your thought process and work rhythm. It's worth noting that merged cells can be separated again if needed through the Layout tab under Table Tools, where you can find the Split Cells option. Remember, learning and using keyboard shortcuts like Alt plus A plus M for merging cells in Word is all about improving efficiency and productivity. In conclusion, familiarizing yourself with these kinds of shortcuts can significantly speed up document editing tasks, allowing you more time to focus on the quality of your content. With practice, these keystrokes will become second nature, and you'll find yourself seamlessly navigating and editing documents in Microsoft Word like a pro. Remember, the key to proficiency in any software is exploration and practice, so don't hesitate to use this shortcut as a starting point for mastering many more. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and that you're now feeling more comfortable with using the merge shortcut in Microsoft Word. These tips should have you merging cells with the ease and speed that comes from knowing just the right keyboard shortcut to get the job done. Thank you for watching, and be sure to practice this shortcut to incorporate it into your repertoire of Word skills.